tumaliza Alien mubawadde mu discussing mu dissecting nga bwe mwagala. Yes, David Lutalo ne Rema Namakula, Love Commissioner. That was a very, I think I could say that's the best collabo for the year if I was to rank, though this list does not rank, but that collabo, number one for the year. Yes, I would see that in Bogerako just definitely. Oh, sorry. Tumaliza Alien mulekedde bana Uganda to discuss. Kati tugenda ku David Lutalo ne Rema Namakula, Love Commissioner. I would have said it's the best collaboration of the year. Beautiful song execution. It is not any surprise when those two were batula together to do a collab. I mean, nalya demba vumanyo singa tebyakola. Baba baswaziza system. But I expect it to batula kuyimba to be, yeah, where necessary. Timing is important. Yeah, you collaborate where necessary and be timely. Kuba intentional nti kati nkikoze kubanga njagala kubafaani boono mulaba ayambusa oba ali wano ne wano, oba kati amaanyi gange geebase nnyo mu kolabo nja kulabika ng'omunafu kati kanwanire singo. So